Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to withdraw your money from Robinhood in 25, safely and step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1, open the Robinhood app. Make sure you're logged into your account and the app is fully updated. Step 2, tap the account icon. You'll find it in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's the person-shaped icon. Step 3, select Transfers. In the menu, tap on Transfers. This is where you'll move money between Robinhood and your bank account. Step 4, choose Transfer to your bank. Then select the amount you want to withdraw. You can transfer any available funds that are not tied up in unsettled trades. Step 5, pick the bank account. Choose the linked bank account you want to send the money to. If you haven't connected one yet, you'll be prompted to do so here. Step 6, confirm the transfer. Review your details carefully. Then tap Submit or Transfer to complete your withdrawal. Most transfers take 3 to 5 business days to process. Make sure your funds have settled before initiating a withdrawal. Selling stocks, you may need to wait a couple of days. You can only withdraw to a bank account under your name. That's it. You've just withdrawn your money from Robinhood, fast and easy. If this guide helped, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more finance tips made simple. Thanks for watching.